On Monday, February 24th, Anthropic dropped its latest AI model, Claude 3.7 Sonnet. I've tested its programming capabilities with real-world complex coding tasks and compared its performance against competitors like OpenAI's o1 and DeepSeek R1. In today's video, I'll show you why Anthropic's reasoning model might be the ultimate coding assistant that transforms how developers work. Using its sophisticated debugging and ability to generate entire applications from scratch, I'll demonstrate why this model stands out in ways that could fundamentally change software development workflows. Stay tuned to the end to see my comprehensive benchmark results and unlock Claude 3.7's full potential as your coding partner. Anthropic has just released its most intelligent model to date, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and with it, they've introduced a whole new approach to AI reasoning. The company announced that Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the first hybrid reasoning model on the market, implying that it can switch between quick responses that require less intensive thinking and longer step-by-step extended thinking within a single system. I've been impressed by the advancements in Claude 3.7 Sonnet, especially in coding and front-end web development. Not only has Anthropic rolled out this enhanced model, but it has also introduced a handy command line tool called Claude Code, designed for agentic coding. Currently available as a limited research preview, Claude Code allows developers to delegate complex engineering tasks from their terminal, making the whole process much smoother and more efficient. It's exciting to see how these tools can help streamline our workflows. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is now available and accessible across all Claude plans, whether you're on the free, pro, team, or enterprise tiers. You can integrate it with the Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. Just a heads up, if you're on the free Claude tier, you won't have access to the extended thinking mode, but it's available on all the other plans, where you can explore deeper conversations and ideas more thoroughly. I'm happy to tell you that the Claude 3.7 Sonnet maintains the same price as its previous versions in the standard and extended thinking modes. You're looking at $3 for every million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, which conveniently includes those thinking tokens. This consistency in pricing makes it easier for everyone to budget and plan their usage while enjoying all the enhancements that come with this new version. Accessibility and pricing aside, let's find out the essential features of Claude 3.7 Sonnet that make it stand out. First and foremost is its hybrid reasoning capabilities. Just as humans can switch between quick responses and deep reflection, Anthropic believes advanced models should integrate this capability instead of developing separate models for both cases. This philosophy shines through in Claude 3.7 Sonnet as it combines the best of both worlds. It serves as a regular language model while also having reasoning capabilities built right in. You can easily choose when you want quick responses and when you'd prefer the model to take a bit more time to think things through before answering. It's all about creating a smoother, more intuitive experience for users. In standard mode, the Claude 3.7 Sonnet is an upgraded version of its predecessor, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet. What stands out to me is the extended thinking mode, where the model takes a moment to reflect before delivering its answer. This pause seems to boost its performance in math, physics, following instructions, coding, and other tasks. I've noticed that when it comes to prompting the model, both modes respond the same way, which I find interesting. When using Claude 3.7 Sonnet with APIs, you can instruct it to think for a maximum of n tokens, where n can be any number up to its impressive output limit of 128,000 tokens. This flexibility lets you balance speed and cost against the quality of the answers you receive. In the development of Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the team consciously chose to pivot away from optimizing it primarily for math and computer science competition-style problems. Instead, they focused on real-world applications like coding and following instructions, aligning the model's capabilities more closely with how businesses utilize large language models. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Now let's get back to the video. While Claude 3.5 Sonnet has been the go-to model for developers worldwide since June 2024, Anthropic is now switching things up a notch with the introduction of Claude Code. Claude Code is Anthropic's first agentic coding tool integrated with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It's in a limited research preview, but I'm excited about what it offers. Claude Code acts as an active collaborator, capable of searching and reading code, editing files, writing and running tests, and even committing and pushing code to GitHub. Plus, it can use command line tools and keep users informed at every step. Meanwhile, the engineers at Anthropic are already using Claude Code for test-driven development, debugging complex issues, and large-scale refactoring. During the early testing stage, Claude Code completed tasks that took developers 45+ minutes of manual work in a single pass, reducing development time and overhead. It's pretty impressive how it enhances the coding experience for developers. Over the next few weeks, they plan to continually improve this tool based on how people use it and their feedback. They'll focus on ensuring reliable tool calls, add support for long-running commands, enhance in-app rendering, and help Claude better grasp its capabilities. It's all about making the experience smoother and more efficient for everyone involved. So, how does Claude 3.5 Sonnet perform when it comes to real-world coding tasks? A developer recounted their experience with Claude Code, which resolved annoying and persistent errors in their React app that had baffled them for weeks. They said, "I just leaned back, rested my chin on my thumb, and thought, wow, that's pretty impressive." It was a moment of genuine relief and amazement. As a non-professional coder, I've discovered I can create an impressive website with Claude 3.5 Sonnet in under 3 minutes. The website features beautifully organized CSS, eye-catching animations, vibrant colors, and a sleek, modern user interface. Accessible web design is now available for everyone. Claude Code also helped me with those pesky hydration errors, common in React applications. A React hydration error occurs when the HTML generated by React on the server is different from the HTML generated by React on the client. Claude Code didn't just address the current issue, it thoroughly scanned my entire codebase, identifying and resolving similar problems that may surface later. This proactive approach gave me peace of mind for future development. What a lifesaver! Moving on, let's see how Claude 3.5 Sonnet fares on benchmarks. The latest coding benchmarks show impressive gains for Claude 3.7 Sonnet on the SWE Bench, or Software Engineering Bench verified platform, which assesses AI models in software engineering tasks. It achieved a score of 62.3%, marking an improvement from the Claude 3.5 Sonnet's 49%. When a custom scaffold, a structured prompt or additional context that helps guide the model's response toward a more accurate solution was applied, the score soared to 70.3%. This performance places Claude 3.7 Sonnet well ahead of competitors like OpenAI's O1, which scored 48.9%, and O3 Mini at 49.3%. DeepSeek R1, which was designed for coding tasks, came in at 49.2%. These results firmly establish Claude 3.7 as one of the leading AI models for programming-related challenges, showcasing its enhanced capabilities and effectiveness in tackling software engineering problems. Besides coding, Claude 3.7 Sonnet also took the lead in AI agent tasks, making it a strong choice for automation and workflow execution. On the TAU bench, which tests AI's ability to interact with external tools in structured environments, Claude 3.7 achieved an 81.2% score in retail tasks, a notable increase from Claude 3.5 Sonnet's 71.5%. This result also surpasses OpenAI O1's 73.5%. Claude 3.7 scored 58.4% in airline-related tasks, again outperforming OpenAI's O1, which managed 54.2%. These results indicate that Claude 3.7 is particularly effective for business applications and structured workflows. For enterprise users who want to integrate AI into their decision-making and operational processes seamlessly, Claude 3.7 stands out as a compelling choice. It has great potential to enhance productivity and streamline operations in various sectors. Now, you might be wondering if Claude 3.7 Sonnet is a threat to you or others as programmers. Many programmers view Claude 3.7 Sonnet as a threat because it can automate tasks that require human expertise, like coding and debugging. This tool understandably raises concerns about job security in an industry already facing rapid technological change. However, rather than seeing it as a competitor, it's more productive to view Claude 3.7 Sonnet as a collaborator. Programmers can enhance their productivity and creativity by integrating this programming AI model into their workflow. This integration allows them to focus on more complex problems while the AI handles repetitive tasks. Those who embrace this partnership will thrive, leveraging technology to elevate their work rather than replace it. And there you have it, folks. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is making waves with its impressive capabilities in coding and problem solving, not to mention its ability to switch between modes. It's a game changer, but that paywall for thinking mode has some of us scratching our heads, especially when we have free options. What do you think? Is the investment worth it, or do you prefer the alternatives? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on all things AI and tech, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know which model you think takes the crown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.